Product licensing in under 60 seconds. Let's do it. Number one, you need an idea. You need a problem to solve. You need something that your product is going to address in the market. Step two, you need to do some market research. So you're in the market currently at your current job, or you just might know about the market. You need to do more research. You need to find the big brand names. You need to find the competitors, and you need to make what I call a target list. This is a list of companies that you can potentially license your idea to. Third, you need a prototype. So you're probably going to need to do some sort of 3D rendering, some form of physical mock-up, 3D printing. The best part is this is the greatest time in history to be able to make 3D renderings or prototypes in general. Step four, you're gonna need to make a sales sheet. You're gonna need to make some sort of marketing collateral that you can hand over to a company, you can send to a company to get them interested in your product or your invention. This part can be fun because you can turn this into an opportunity to make a big impact on some management at these different companies that you want to work with and that you eventually want to be a partner with, because they're going to be the ones signing your checks. Step five is protection. This is the point in which you're going to file a provisional patent application, or a PPA for short. This is what's going to protect you, and we'll talk about that in a separate video. When you go to these companies and you pitch them your idea, a PPA also allows you to put patent pending on all your sales and marketing collateral for 1 year. Step six, this is outreach and getting feedback on your idea. So you're gonna reach out to this target list of companies that you made in step two, and they're gonna start giving you feedback. They're gonna start scheduling meetings. This is when you wanna actually get in front of them, put your best foot forward, show them all the research you've done and all the work you've put into this idea. You've done the costing, you've done maybe some prototyping. You know how to address and solve the problem for their customer and eventually your customer as well. And finally, step seven, which is getting your first licensing royalty check. Now this is where the company is gonna pay you anywhere from 3 to 7% on each unit sold. And then that's going to be your first check. And this can be done monthly, quarterly, or annually. That's the 7 steps of product licensing. Thanks for sticking around. Check us out in the next video.